Okay, so this is the SmallRig Andyax Creative Toolkit. It's kind of a survival kit for filmmakers. Because we were shooting things in Norway, we are on the set, and suddenly you forget a screw or something, and you have to go back to the office and stop the whole shooting for an hour. So this includes a lot of stuff, like different kinds of screws, memory card holder. It's nice to have backup memory cards. It has different hex keys, this multi-tool. You have this folder for having an iPad, documents. You get some Velcro straps. You get an extra HDMI cable, different markers. Like, for instance, we were on the green screen shoot the other day, and suddenly the client wanted to have some tracking shots as well in front of the green screen. So we have the markers, the green screen markers here. And of course the gaffer tape, and the blower for the lens. And you can customize all this. So you can remove stuff and customize this for your needs. One day it might help you on set. It can be crucial for you to be able to continue shooting. So it's a nice survival kit. It's $100 for the whole thing. And I calculated if you buy all these things separately, it's about $100. So it's kind of get the whole thing for free. It's sturdy, it's waterproof. I think it's a nice choice, a safe choice.